Hello guys, today we're looking at the Dyson Clean Wash Hygiene, and it feels like a floor cleaner designed to make everyday cleaning more complete, not just faster. From the first use, you notice a real difference in how floors look and feel, because this machine doesn't just move dirt around, it actively removes debris while washing the surface at the same time, creating a deeper level of cleanliness. What stands out most is how smoothly it glides across hard floors, keeping constant contact so grime, sticky residue, and fine dust get lifted instead of smeared. The combination of controlled water delivery and strong suction means moisture is applied only where needed, then quickly pulled back up along with loosened dirt. That leaves floors clean without being overly wet, which helps avoid long drying times. Another key highlight is the hygiene-focused system, with clean and dirty water kept separate, adding peace of mind and making the process feel more sanitary. Over time, floors stay cleaner longer because residue is truly removed instead of redistributed. The controls are intuitive, handling feels balanced, and it's easy to maneuver around furniture, making it practical for regular use. Overall, the Dyson Clean Wash Hygiene delivers a powerful mix of washing, suction, and everyday usability, making it a strong choice for anyone who wants healthier, fresher floors without turning cleaning into a complicated chore.